Well, the Port A Open is on again. It's that time of year, and we are headed there now. So without further ado, let's get on the road. Woo! We'll take you to a time lapse across the ferry in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. The forecast says it's gonna be 6.5 feet. At 9 seconds, that'll probably fall a bit. It usually does. But we're finally here. Time to get settled in the room. But first, I'm gonna go make a surf check. Come along. Well, the camera cannot do it justice, but the wind is whipping. It's coming in left to right, north to south, northeast to southeast actually, and really tearing the guts out of the surf right now. It is supposed to build, so hopefully we're gonna have a good contest. So now it's time to get some rest and maybe do a few practice runs tomorrow. I don't surf till Sunday. To say that the conditions are gnarly would be an understatement. It's like 5.5 at 9 seconds, which are regular waves, but there's a 25-mile-an-hour down the beach wind. Luckily, I'm gonna be on the south side, which is on the downwind side. But still, I don't think I'm gonna make it. I don't think I'm gonna make it out. I really don't. But we'll see. Contest day is here and it's really picked up. I don't know if I can make it. We'll find out though. We will, because Macklin's in it, so I have no excuse. If I were alone, I might do a water touch just to avoid the hassle. But now, I gotta put on my big boy pants and go. Woo! So let's take you straight to the heat right now.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. Sound right, boys. it sound right, boy.
Okay, now we'll do open SUP. And coming in second place, open SUP, is going to be Macklin Butts. Yeah, baby. Tough conditions out there on the SUP, but bringing it home, Michael Gibson.
Yeah, Gibson!
If you haven't checked out Sweep Talk on YouTube, you got to do it. Lots of good content on there and very entertaining. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Sweep Talk.
So that's a wrap on the 2024-2025 4-day open. I can't believe that I even got into it and was able to catch a wave, much less win the damn thing. Shout out to Tyson. He took 4th in Minnehoonee. Whoa! But Woo! Shout out to Tyson and Vito. Tyson took 4th in the Minnehoonee Boys Division. And Vito, he gave it his all. He's coming back to Padre. And hell, he's in the water right now somewhere. Right over there. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, ring that notification bell. And until next time, keep sweeping. Woo!